So as many of you are aware, the current regulations for window nets has changed. Very difficult to work out exactly the ruling, knowing what area to cover, how to cover it. So what I want to do, I just want to briefly run through it with everybody so they've got a bit more of a clear understanding of it, and obviously a couple of options around it. If you have a look at our card we've got here, what you'll see here with this particular window net, it's straight, okay? So the window nets we've designed, this front corner will actually come down on an angle. Purpose for this angle is that the requirement that Motorsport Australia has now put out says that the back of the window net must protrude past the back or be level with the back of the seat. As you see with ours, our seats sit past the pillar, okay, which now means that our window net must meet the pillar. If your seat is further forward, your seat is here, then the back of this window net would probably suffice. But then we're still going to have the issue with the front. Speaking to local scrutineers, speaking to Motorsport Australia Technical, they have basically pointed out the simple way to do it is you've got to look at your steering wheel. You need to be able to cover 50% of your steering wheel, all right? So it's not the window net needs to come straight down. The window net can be angled, obviously. Now, if we angled our window net from here now and down to here, we would actually be covering 50% of our steering wheel. So that would meet the required regulation. And the bottom of the net, there is no certain requirement on it, as long as, again, with the door shut, you look down the side, look through the side of the door, and the window net is down below the top edge of the door. A big area to cover, an XL door, a lot wider, a lot bigger than a normal sedan. So, the normal standard window nets out there, just they don't suffice anymore. Yeah, watch this space. As I said, we've got window nets coming. The window nets will also, we're making new fitting kits for them with rods. So it'll be a very basic, easy to fit solution. They'll all have straps on them, so you'll be able to have the adjustment in your straps on the bottom. Window net alone, it can come as a full hardware kit, rods, mounting brackets, the whole kit caboodle. If you have any questions or queries about fitting the net, again, don't hesitate, give us a call, send us a message. We can certainly help you out there. We are doing pre-orders on the nets if you wanted to pre-order. Otherwise, follow our socials. We'll inform everybody when they're ready to go.